So what I'm going to be talking about today is our mission critical infrastructure for SQL Server, because more often than not in many organizations it is a critical application. Oftentimes it's tied to your OLTP systems or your data warehouse systems. So I'm going to talk about one of the options there. We've taken a look at mission critical systems. We kind of look at it in many different aspects. So one of the aspects is it's got to be available and secure. That is obviously just the game stakes. The other thing is, and especially as I've mentioned with the data growing, is it has to be able to be performant and scale. So we know that with the data growing and with the data demands growing, you want a system that can actually scale with the needs inside your organization. You also want to make sure that it's customizable and it has interoperability with whatever systems you've put in place in your organization. And finally, you want to be able to have control and governance in your organization for SQL Server or frankly any of your infrastructure. So we've been working with Microsoft for over 30 years. This particular system, as I mentioned, is our mission critical system, and it has a lot of features built in that help it to do that. Including something called self-memory healing. So the system is smart enough, if there's a memory error, it knows enough to know how to correct it. So that's one of the important features for mission criticality. The other thing is this is essentially our largest system for SQL Server. So we've done a lot of testing and a lot of performance characterization on this. And so it actually starts at a 4 CPU box and it can scale all the way up to 32 nodes. So this is really kind of the big daddy of the systems if you've got a lot of data in your organization. It really provides that headroom that you may need. And the other thing that's critical, and as I start speaking about the memory, for those in-memory data applications, this is also has the largest in-memory footprint that's available in the industry to support the different SQL Server limits. And so for the Windows Server system, that's 24 terabytes. And then when Microsoft announced SQL Server 2017 with the availability of Linux, this can actually scale to 48 terabytes. So there's a lot of headroom when it comes to in-memory applications.